Okay, this is awesome. A few minutes ago, I looked up the road and I saw the FedEx driver dropping off a package about the same size and shape as the description on my new Starlink home internet system. I've been waiting. It was delayed for weeks. I ordered it like almost a month ago. Our internet, as it stands, is kind of, it works. It's a billion times better than no internet. But the fact is, we run out of our data plan at about day 10 of the month. And then it's just not great. It's with Viasat right now. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, we were so grateful to have it for so many years. But we finally just did the math on it and said Starlink is in the long run going to be cheaper. It's so much faster. Just the way that the satellites work, the Viasat has this really long delay between, like if you're on video chat or if you're even on the telephone, it's a really, really long delay and it's really uncomfortable. And I'm trying to run a business where I'm trying to be polite to people, but I'm constantly talking over them and it just comes off rude. So I'm gonna drive down there and get the package. And man, I think I might even, about 2 hours left of daylight, I might be able to get it set up today. All right. All right, we got the Starlink kit brought in. I decided for the occasion I would put on a nice hat and a nice shirt. I feel like it deserves that. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it on the video just to see what's in it. So if you're considering purchasing this, you can see how it goes. And then we're gonna set it up. And hopefully by the time the sun is down, the internet is up. Hang out to the very end of the video and I'll talk about how much it costs, both the startup costs, the monthly fees, and then other accessories that we're gonna need to purchase in order to keep everything working here on our homestead. Let's go. Okay, the box is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. What's inside? Packing material is space age. Okay, looks like it comes with this default base. It's pretty heavy. I'd say it's aluminum, cast aluminum. And this is the dish. Looks like maybe there's a piece of paper to take off here. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. So you can see it's not big. It's probably about half the size of the satellite dish we have now. I think this is going to be the modem and Wi-Fi hub. It does not come by default with an Ethernet port. I heard there was some supply chain problems, so they stopped putting the Ethernet port on here. Most people don't use that anymore. We will, because we have a home phone system that's going to work over Ethernet. That's a lot. I don't know how much cable that is, but that's a lot. Let's see how far that'll get us. It has this kind of funny plug. It's shaped like I'd say a micro USB, though I don't know if it is a micro USB. And it has this weatherproof like grommet on it just to keep the water out. And that's hardwired to the dish, looks like. And the last thing's a power cord. Just takes a standard power cord. This thing is heated, so in the wintertime, it's supposed to keep the snow off. And then looks like it's just the booklet. Wow, I'm gonna need to buy some reading glasses for that. And learn Portuguese. No, I'm sure it's English. I'm sure there's English in there. That's it. It says clearly here to take it outside, Don't touch it. I don't understand that. Plug it into your modem, and presumably buy an iPhone and download the Starlink app. Now let's see. Support.starlink.com. Okay, it looks like the app says find a location, so I want you to take this and check for obstructions. All right, it's I guess it's processing the 360 video or photo that I took and looking for trees. I saw a couple. Did you see them? Just a couple. It's saying, it sees those trees and it says, you may want to find a better spot. I might find a better spot tomorrow, but I really want to see this thing work tonight. So I'm going to go with the spot we chose. It didn't say how much snow you're supposed to have on the pedestal, so I hope this is the right amount. Okay, don't do what I did. It looked like you're supposed to adjust the dish to kind of like point it up, but the app says it will tilt automatically, so it's motorized. I didn't know that. I didn't break it, but I pushed pretty hard on it and decided I was doing something wrong. I almost missed it. I got a new network called Stinky. I wonder why. So it looks like right now I'm making up the name and password. So I'm gonna use, no, just kidding. I gotta figure out how to get this so it's not so. You're all set.
We're all set.
Is that it?
Done. Offline. Oh, come on.
Let's just see what happens here.
Hey, you have Wi-Fi.
Hey!
Look at that.
We're online. All right, Elon, I promise if you're watching tomorrow, I'm gonna put this in a safer place than right here next to this goat. Hey, start to finish, from the time I opened the box to the time I was online was about 20 minutes. My initial test is that it's faster than any of the highest speeds I've ever got on the other satellite dish, which is right there. What else? The latency, that's the biggest thing. The latency was very, very low. It was like 50 milliseconds, and I think on Viasat I'm like 5,000 milliseconds. So huge difference, huge difference. Okay, the cost. Right off the bat, this kit, you do have to buy it, which is a bit unusual. Usually you're leasing your equipment, but in this case, you buy it. It's about $650 when you're all done with taxes and shipping. It's about maybe $675. So that's a one-time cost. The monthly cost is about $110 a month plus taxes and fees. So that's going to be a little bit less. Because we're going to use this internet for our home phone, we're actually we need to buy an Ethernet adapter that goes in line with this wiring. And that's only about $25 from the Starlink website. And then we're going to also need to buy a, what's called it's made by a company called UMA. It's basically a VoIP phone system. Stay tuned for some more information about how that's going to work. I'm not sure. But all told, we're going to pay less a month for this system than we do for our current system. And it's already looking much better. The thing I'm excited about is just having having the ability to have a regular phone conversation without this like super latent, oh, I'm sorry, I talk, is it my turn or your tongue? It's hard to talk on the phone. It's hard to do video chat when your internet is that, not slow, but latent. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, thanks very much. I'm going to do another video here in another couple weeks about just comparing it, the actual performance of it, and see how we like it. Stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.